So today Reality NXT will talk about why is a good CIBIL score important for young home buyers. There are a lot of positive speculations about the real estate market ever since the lockdown began, usually around the lines of how the prices will go up and you will get great returns if you invest at the right time. After reading through all the positive news, are you planning to apply for your first home loan? If yes, there are some things you need to know as a young home buyer under the name of CIBIL. With work from home being a reality for all of us, we are starting to realize that having that personal space is quite important, and during the pandemic, the number of young home buyers has crossed the mark of 63% for this exact same reason. If you're going to join the list soon, here's what you need to know about your CIBIL score first. What is a good CIBIL score? A CIBIL or credit score is a 3-digit number associated with an individual which defines the credit worthiness of that individual. It ranges from 300 to 900, 300 being the worst and 900 being the best. If you are an individual with a new credit history, let's say 1 to 6 months, you'll be assigned a number between 1 to 5. And if you're an individual with no credit history, your credit score is simply -1, indicating a non-existing credit history. Lenders prefer that a customer's CIBIL score be around 700 if not 750 or more when applying for a home loan. That's the basic definition of a good CIBIL score. Now the next question arises. Why is a good CIBIL score important for young home buyers such as yourself? Well, because a credit or CIBIL score helps the lender determine your borrowing and repayment history after a lot of documentation of your income report, salary slips, bank statements, etc., and assurance is established between you and the lender. For any young home buyer, a strong credit score is required for a home loan approval, whereas a low credit score may jeopardize or reduce the individual chances of getting that loan sanctioned. Along with that, your CIBIL score says the following about you. 1. It reveals your credit behavior. 2. Determine your repayment history and capacity and hence the amount and interest rate. 3. It reflects if you have any other ongoing loans. 4. Your interest rate is determined by your CIBIL score. This just might be the most important reason because the interest rate per annum on your loan will be determined by your CIBIL score. The usual requirement is a low rate of interest for applicants with credit scores of 750 and higher, with candidates with CIBIL score of 850 receiving the lowest rate of interest. Banks will impose the highest possible rate of interest or refuse the loan application for candidates with a credit score of 550 or above. Most banks will not consider a loan request with a credit score of 500 or lower. Those that do will impose interest rates of up to 30%. With getting the understanding of your CIBIL score, you must be wondering, how do I check my CIBIL score? Well, you can check your CIBIL score from Credit Information Bureau India Limited, also known as CIBIL. It is the leading provider of credit reports and ratings for people. Individual financial data such as loan and credit card information is sourced by CIBIL from India's top banks and other financial organizations. This information is subsequently provided as a CIBIL credit report, also known as Credit Information Report. According to RBI rules, you are entitled to get one free credit report a year from your credit institution, but if you require more than that, you might have to pay a nominal fee varying from institute to institute. As a young home buyer, getting a home loan can be quite significant thing in terms of the both principal amount and the tenure. So before taking that step, you should make sure you're taking it in the best possible direction. At the moment, the lowest interest rates start at 6.65% per annum at Kotak Mahindra Bank, with tenure period of 1 to 20 years when the home loan amounted up to 80% of the property value. Along with that, financial expert suggests young buyers to look for ready-to-possess or near-completion properties, as sometimes there is a huge delay in real estate projects. Always keep these steps in your mind before applying for home loan and buying your first property as a young buyer. Updates, trends and insights by Reality NXT. Do not forget to share, like and subscribe Reality NXT.